Oil, gas, and chemical solutions from Swagelok, supporting upstream, midstream, and downstream sectors. There are many challenges inherent to accessing, transporting, and refining the reserves that fuel our world. Finding resources means drilling deeper wells in more remote locations, dealing with higher temperatures and pressures, operating in highly corrosive and dangerous environments, all while ensuring environmental safety and sustainability practices. Swagelok offers an extensive portfolio of high-quality fluid system products and fully engineered assemblies, access to a global network of service professionals, and a deep knowledge of relevant applications. Swagelok is an integral part of the entire process, from building the infrastructure to getting the resource out of the ground to its transportation, storage, and delivery to the refinery and further downstream processes where it is turned into a myriad of finished consumer products. Large-scale construction projects are especially difficult, with hundreds or thousands of people involved, aggressive competition, and complicated logistics. You need experienced suppliers and collaborators who can help you efficiently meet deadlines and cost targets. Swagelok Global Construction Services can provide value throughout your industrial facility construction project, no matter the complexity or location. From feasibility and feed stages to detailed design, construction, and commissioning, we help you find the safe, reliable products you need and connect you with local resources you can trust to provide support for the full life cycle of the facility. Keeping workers safe is important in any project, but it is an especially critical consideration where you're drilling, processing, transporting, or refining highly volatile, caustic, or otherwise hazardous fluids. We can help you build safety into your fluid system-related practices from installation through routine maintenance. Avoiding excess downtime can mean saving hundreds of thousands of dollars per day. With more than 200 authorized sales and service centers in more than 70 countries, Swagelok is committed to getting you the products and services you need for long-term success.
I trust Swagelok because they're the best. I don't have to question whether or not this is going to work down the road a year, 2 years, 3 years, 10 years.
Budget tightening, downward market pressures, or other conditions outside of your control can make profitability goals harder to reach. Swagelok specialists can design and fabricate configurable, reliable fluid system assemblies like grab sampling panels or seal support systems that help maximize the lifespans of your equipment. Fluid system advisors can also evaluate your new or existing systems to help identify components, materials, and design parameters that are optimal for your applications. At the same time, they can identify leaks and other causes of inefficiency that are creating avoidable costs, giving you the information you need to minimize total costs of fluid system operation.
If you go down because of a pump failure or a tubing leak, these kinds of things are inexcusable and incredibly expensive if they were to happen. So we really rely on Swagelok, and we cherish that relationship because it doesn't fail.
Environmental stewardship and emissions reduction has never been a larger priority for many large-scale facility operations. We can provide solutions that help organizations meet decarbonization goals, work towards net zero emissions, or otherwise pursue more environmentally friendly operations. We provide insights on how to avoid fugitive emissions with specific system design choices, and we also provide leak-tight fluid system components that help protect people, the planet, and profitability. In summary, facility operators can feel confident in the long-term performance of their fluid systems. They are built with safe and reliable products and are supported by local resources for the full life cycle of the facilities at every point along the process, from beginning to end. Contact your authorized Swagelok Sales and Service Center or visit swagelok.com to learn more.